How do you test a product on Etsy? So basically, you make the store, or you make the account, a couple of days later, make the store, and then you add listings to the store. Pretty much the easiest way for me to describe it, obviously there's a lot of specific methods, but easiest way for me to describe it is that you, basically you're listing products, you're running a small amount of advertisements on platform Etsy advertisements. They will then bump you up in the search rankings at the top. So on Amazon, they have the same thing as well. Go to Etsy right now, type in bracelet, you'll see at the top listings, they'll have ad in small little letters. Those are all ads. So your listing will appear at the top there, then you're good, right? Like you're gonna get sales from that. And obviously if you get quick sales, basically if you have above a 1% CTR click-through rate and it is below a 1% CTR, you turn it off. So 0.9% CTR, $4 in spend, you turn it off. Let's say, and then once it's kept going, $12 to $15 in spend, and if it has 0 sales, again, you turn it off as well. So that's pretty much what you do, right? Like that's how you test a product in terms of advertisement testing. When it goes on and your store's already up and running and is in a good position, you test using organic. So you list a product, I list a product. If it doesn't get 5 orders in the first 30 days, I turn it off. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.